Subscribe to see more videos from my end and click on that bell to get live notification. Hi guys, good morning. It's a new day of vlogging. हम जा रहे हैं नासिक. बड़ा ग्रुप है. I'm talking ना. बड़ा ग्रुप जा रहे हैं and all in full form. We all are set to rock this time. तो मजा आएगा आप लोगों को. They all are riders, so you're going to see a lot of bikers and
lots of girls.
a lot of girls.
Lots of girls.
Okay. So I don't know. This time I've done my look very simple. I don't do much makeup, and because of Mumbai climate, my skin is extremely dry,
Come on, nice side.
very dry. So I have not applied foundation at all. I'm only oiling my face with almond, and then I am applying little blush on and lipstick. That's it, and highlighter. So my skin is like become really dry after coming here, and I'm only applying almond oil, and the best remedy is almond oil. Okay, so with almond oil like 3-4 times, it's too dry after coming here, really bad. So that's why I'm not using much makeup. It's only almond, lot of blush on, highlighter. That's it. Blush on, highlighter, almond. That's my makeup for this trip. Bachat. Foundation ka bachat. And see the kids out there. They started doing masti already. My mom-in-law. Mummy. She's saying hi. So my mom-in-law loves me a lot. ठीक है. क्या लिया? I don't know what they're saying. हाँ. She loves me a lot. I'm like a pet in the house. मम्मी सबसे लाडली कौन? मम्मी आप सबसे ज्यादा मिस किसको करते हो?
रनी करते रहते.
मतलब रोनिक और मेरे को, सिर्फ मेरे को नहीं. मम्मी
मेरे को तो ऑलरेडी मैं करती हूँ ना.
हाँ. मम्मी आज कैसी लग रही हूँ?
एकदम ब्यूटीफुल.
एकदम ब्यूटीफुल. They told me not to sit in the front, and when they say me anything ना, मैं वही करती हूँ. High five. बस हम on the way जाने वाले हैं. This is my look for today. I don't know you guys can see. It's a frock. I've taken a jacket also because it's very cold in Nasik.
वो कौन सा ला?
बहुत ठंडा है, बहुत ठंडा.
ए जॉनसन.
More stylish, you know. Oh my god. I'm looking hot now. अच्छा लग रहा है.
ला जॉनसन 1 मिनट.
Guys, we are all set. We are going to Nasik, and my sister-in-law is with me. She said she always says when she's ready, when she's decked up to come in front. So yeah, that's her look for the day. Hot as always. And we're having a group out over here. There's a lot of people. We're going in a group, and we are heading to Nasik. So they are all bikers. So there's amazing bikes. I'm going to show you guys, and I'm going to introduce you all to a lot of people also in this vlog. It's going to be a very interesting vlog for you all. Okay, and we're just waiting for everybody to come, so it will be more. So you guys can see all of them. You can see all the bikers are already standing out over there. Okay, तो धीरे धीरे मैं सबसे introduce कराऊंगी. So they should also be comfortable facing the camera. So let me see who's comfortable facing the camera first thing. This is one of the bike. Guys, this is the Bluetooth device which is connected to the helmet. That's the camera. बताओगे कुछ? So if they get any calls, they can receive it from here only.
Yeah, we can also connect with the fellow riders via intercom.
Yeah. I don't feel like going in the car.
हाँ एक मिनट
This is another bike.
और चिल्ला चिल्ला के लेके आया है इंसान हमको।
सिर्फ 2 बाइक्स है क्या? No, how many bikes are there? Only 2? Okay.
Third one didn't turn up. दोपहर के बाद
So we have stopped for breakfast on the way to Nasik. All of us are sitting. Hi guys. So we have come to the villa. Finally हम लोग पहुंच गए हैं नासिक. ठीक है. And सब बच्चे मस्ती कर रहे हैं, मजाक कर रहे हैं. And they are having a ball. तो I will just show you all the place and everything. मज़ा आएगा. दिखाती हूँ. मिया. ईतू. Girls. So the full masti going on over there. Yo, the hero. Hi. So I didn't get in the pool right now. Let's see maybe later on. सब मस्ती कर रहे हैं. And my bhabhi is sitting over here. And she's on call. Say hi to everybody. Upstairs is my room. We'll show my room sometime. So basically this has like 5 rooms. I think so. 5 rooms. Yeah. So it's a nice place. It's open air, open place. There's a lot of mountains over here. I'll show you the mountains. It looks amazing. Grape है. Canberry or grape? Grape, I think. No, sorry, blackberry crush. Cheers.
Yes.
are waiting for your dance. Her dance has been captured. What a dance! Your dance should be captured. Nice.
Maxa?
Dance well. Going to the pool. I didn't want to
How can I
go.
throw you in? You're in swimsuit? Then leave that phone and come in now.
I got one of the phones. I said, okay, let me do the recording at
काम
least.
ना अरे कितना दिन भर रिकॉर्डिंग रात को भी करना है ये अरे लेकिन कभी कोई करेगी आना अंदर देखो
चलो
क्या
चलो
I don't believe ये छेद का प्रूफ
Not
है
to swim. Crazy! It's so cold. बेचारे इनको अटैक कर रहे हैं सब लोग मिलके. They are attacking one person. हालत खराब हो गया. After long of swimming, I'm feeling so nice. अरे छोड़ दे उसको, छोड़ दे, बस करो बेचारा.
I'm out. Oh my God,
So sad. All are attacking him. बेचारा. The lovebirds. Oh God.